Meron dito guys, puno ng grapes. Oh.
You know, the ants live under plants.
Oh yes. Not just under the plants. Meron na siyang bunga. Oh.
And there is grapes.
Yes. Try natin pumitas. Tikman natin kung matamis na siya. Kung ready na ba siyang
It's
kainin.
a big garden, right?
Yeah.
It's grapes. There is. I want to.
Hi! There's more grapes up! Yung pa,
Where?
oh, may bunga pa siya dun, oh.
There is. Look, there is big olive oils.
Can we try one?
Try, but you need to.
Eto, oh.
But you need to wash it first.
We just wanted to try. Picking fresh
Look, this is
grapes.
the flower of the pomegranate.
Mashallah. See, guys. Fresh na fresh. Try natin, ha?
I want to see. Are you picturing? Look.